With just a few clicks, you can build human-like AI voice agents that handle customer calls, book appointments, and automate your call center all with Retell AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're looking at Retell AI, a cutting-edge platform that lets businesses create advanced AI voice agents capable of natural, real-time conversation. Whether you want to automate customer support, sales calls, or appointment scheduling, Retell AI offers powerful tools to build, deploy, and monitor voice agents at scale. This video is split into timestamps, so feel free to skip ahead if you want to jump to a specific part. What is Retell AI? Retell AI is an AI-powered voice agent platform designed for businesses to build sophisticated conversational agents that interact like humans. It supports complex workflows, multi-turn conversations, and integrates with popular telephony services like Twilio and Vonage. Retell AI aims to revolutionize call center operations by providing near real-time natural voice interactions with advanced features such as interruption handling and sentiment analysis. Price: Retell AI offers a free trial with 10 minutes of free usage and up to 20 concurrent calls. Pricing is pay as you go, starting around $0.05 per minute with discounts for high volume customers. Enterprise plans start at approximately $3,000 per month for meaningful deployment and offer custom concurrency and premium support. That's Retell AI, your solution for building advanced human-like voice agents that transform customer interactions. If you have any questions or want a detailed walkthrough of specific features, drop a comment below. I'll make a video just for that. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching.